How to fix the issue where your Samsung Galaxy is not turning on or charging. So if you've tried plugging your phone into the charger, but you're still just seeing this black screen and nothing appears, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this. Now, the very first step is we just need to go and grab our charger and plug one end into the phone and the other end into a charging outlet. Now, even if you don't see anything on the screen, just go and leave your phone on charge for around about 30 minutes. Now, this is really important as sometimes the battery is completely dead and you just need to go and leave it on charge for enough time in order to power up. Now, after 30 minutes have passed, we can then come back over to our phone and you need to unplug it from the charger. We're then going to tilt the phone onto the side and you need to hold down the volume up button and also the power button at the same time. So let's go and do this now. We're going to hold these two buttons together and you need to hold these for around about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds have passed, you should see the Samsung logo appear and that's when you can go and release these two buttons. Now, if this doesn't work and nothing appears on the screen, then what you'll need to do instead is go and hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. So let's try this now. We're going to hold these two buttons down and once again hold these buttons down for around about 20 seconds. Now, when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, go and release these two buttons and then you can just wait for your Samsung phone to restart. Now, if neither of these methods work, there's one more thing you can do. So just go and plug your phone back into the charger and you need to plug the other end into a laptop or computer. Now, once your phone's plugged in, we're then going to repeat the steps that we just did. So we're going to tilt the phone onto the side and you're going to hold down the volume up button and also the power button at the same time. Hold this down for around about 20 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Once again, if this doesn't work, then try the volume down button and also the power button, and hopefully by following both of these steps, your phone should now be working and also charging.